Okay, we're rolling. Today's escapade out here in the very windy garage. Not windy inside, obviously. This is a 2006 twin cam. It was a fuel-injected bike, belonged to a friend of mine. And as you can see from perhaps the inside here, hopefully I'm catching that, it's the classic cam bearing went bad. I really don't think there's anything wrong with the engine case itself. I'm going to take this apart. I completely believe the top end is salvageable. Took the spark plugs out of here. They were like brand new. Hopefully I'm catching that exhaust valve nice and white. This engine was running fine right up until it didn't. And again, this is another case of completely avoidable. If people would just fix these historical facts that are wrong with these, which are the cam bearings and the cam shoes. So I'm going to start to do the disassembly. I'm sure the top end is fine. And I'm going to split the cases and we're going to have a peek at the inside. So let me get to it. Well, as I expected, the inside of this motor is spotless, the engine. Even the breathers were like brand new. And you can see up here, metal debris from the cam bearing going out. Alright, I'm going to continue on with the tear down. Watch what I'm doing here. Alright, more to come. Okay, I'm about an hour into this. This is the front half of the engine, cylinder head. Front piston had a little bit of scoring on it. Bottom of the front cylinder has some mild scoring on it. And then we have here is the back cylinder, which is looking pretty, this one's in really nice shape. Back piston, the rear cylinder head. So the cylinders, and obviously the cylinder heads are quite salvageable, like brand new. And I was also told right before this motor grenaded itself, this had been replaced in this brand new stator. So that's excellent. Nothing wrong with that. Now inside the engine, hopefully down here you can see those big grooves. That's from where the cam bearing came apart and just started grenading everything in here. That's such a shame. And these rods are very tight, almost no play at all. So everything was going really well right up until it blew up. So now, I believe these engine cases are fine. So I'm going to split the cases and we'll have a peek inside. And then go from there. So I've got a lot of salvageable parts here so far, which is a good thing. You can see just how much metal was flying around inside this thing. What a shame. How clean that thing was burning. Well, alright, let me pull these cases apart and I'll be back. Okay, before I split the cases, I thought I would check the run out on this. And I'm actually amazed at the reading I'm getting here. I'll keep myself out of the shot. That's under 5,000ths. I find that quite questionable. It's doing it over and over again. That's amazing. That is amazing. These rods are really tight. Alright, I'm just playing around at this point. Okay, I've got the case split. I'll show you what's inside best I can without anybody to help me here. We've got all these debris, which are left over roller bearings from the cam bearing. Looks like pieces of the oil pump. I did not get the oil pump with this engine. I'm assuming it was severely trashed. And this little piston here is what I use to split the cases. I've seen people take a big screwdriver and beat on them with a hammer. Don't be that guy. That's not cool. Just saying. There's the other side. Hopefully I'm catching this. I can't tell. Whoa, got more debris. The cases themselves look okay. And then over here in the crank, doesn't look that horrible either. Can't see what I'm doing. There's some scoring here on the pinion shaft. So anyway, that's as far as I'm going here. That's about what I expected to find inside. But it looks like the cases are good. I can't believe the reading I got on the runout on that crank. That just doesn't seem possible. Less than 5 thousandths. All right, that's it for the teardown. Definitely got some good top end components. Maybe you found that interesting, maybe you didn't. That's it, signing off. I got what I was looking for. There's all the destruction. And that's what happens when you don't change your cam bearings. All right, thanks for watching.